So today I wanted to do something, just a pretty simplified everyday look. For eyeshadow, I ordered this Colorpop that's taupe, and I thought these colors were just super, super pretty. Just obviously taupey colors, just something very neutral that you can kind of glam up if you want, or you can just keep it super tame. So I'm gonna go in with this really light neutral color called Boa. It's just a super duper light brown color. So we're gonna just put that all over the lid, just like so. And now we're just gonna kind of move right along. We're gonna just build up the color as we go. That way it just blends easily. So next we're gonna go into the next deeper color. This is called Pebble Beach. And we're kind of just gonna dig this color into the crease there and then bring it down towards the lash line. Okay, now we're gonna go right down here. This color is Rock Steady, like a ash brown color. And then we're just gonna do the same thing, put this in the crease, blend it up a little above at the crease. We're gonna take this dark brown here. This is called Bedrock. And what I'm gonna do with this one is I'm just going to dot it right at the end of my eye and just blend it in. Just like that. And we're going to blend all of that together. I'm gonna take that same fluffy brush. I'm gonna take the same really dark, should I do that really dark one? Actually, I'm gonna take this brown right here. It's called Rock Steady. And I'm going to bring this underneath my eye. That's just gonna be my simplified eyeshadow look. So for false lashes, I've been really liking this Lock On Lash. I think I got it from the Elcone Pro store, but you don't have to be a pro to shop there. You just get a discount if you are a pro that shops there. So I just have on matte colors on my eye. If you wanted to do a little fun, I'm going to do this color here, Snake Eye. And all you really need is a little bit. And just plop that kind of in the center of the eye. And I think it's just really fun. So we're done with that. Now let's move on to the face. I'm gonna be working out of this palette. I think just anyone can get this palette. I don't think you have to be a pro to get this palette. They're all cream based. This one is too dark for me and this one's too light for me. So I'm going to just mix them together and I think it should come out good. And so the lighter shade here is in NW25 and this one is in NW30. So I'm never a actual shade. I'm always like a mixture of something created. I'm gonna take a little fluffy brush here. And I'm just gonna kind of buff it in. I don't like this brush. It's kind of a thicker consistency. And I'm not gonna use this brush again. I'm actually kind of liking that. I don't think it's like crazy light. Like that Kevin Aquan one I did on another video. Kevin Aquan one I like really messed up and it was like super light. I think this is a good color. What do you guys think? You tell me. I actually like this. I think it's great coverage. it is full coverage, I feel like. So that's kind of cute. So then I'm going to use the darker color, and I'm just going to kind of use that as some contouring. So this is a cream-based foundation. However, it feels like really thick. So just beware when you're applying that it does feel pretty thick. Like comparing like my wax-based and then this cream-based, the cream-based feels a lot thicker and a little bit more, like you have to work a little harder to blend it, but that's just my initial reaction, because I'm just not used to working with this formula. But I do like it, and I think it is beautiful and has beautiful coverage. Let's add some blush. There we go. What do you guys think about that? I'm kind of liking the foundation. Yeah, I am liking it. I didn't think I was gonna like it, to be honest. I just bought that to have like as a backup in my kit. Like that. Okay. I'm not putting my hair down, and this has been like my style because I haven't been able to get to the hairstylist in a few months. Yeah. Yeah, I feel like this is a pretty good match actually to my skin. So yeah, it was the NW25 was my main color, and then I used the NW30 as kind of like a little contour just to darken up certain areas. Anyways, then the eyes were that's taupe. I love this palette. I think that might be like my go-to. Yeah. Anyways, thanks for hanging out with me and trying out all these new products. And thanks for hanging out with me. I'll see you guys later. Bye.